Here's a little bit of phenomenon. We've got a bit of mist that's rising up in the form of steam from the sun hitting wet grass. It looked like smoke a minute ago, now it can just barely be seen. I grabbed the camera too late. Such is life. Oh, I'll show you one of my food sources. Over here, this is quite interesting. Got a bale of hay to keep chickens dry. And, I said hay, it's wheat straw. And here's the beauty of it. Plenty of fresh greens. Pull it up, shake off the ugly, and here we have, with the background of a sky, sprouted wheat, and it's nice and sweet, and it's good to eat. And there's a week worth of salads for zero cost. Anyway, just a quick video. There's rain dripping from the trees, kind of making a little bit of a symphony out there. Oh, I was going to show the flood. Out there, what was grass just yesterday is now... Come on, zoom. There we go. Is now a lake. And the chickens need to grow webs. That's it for now. Bye-bye.